I have two Australian Shepherds who are heavy shedders. The Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel is the perfect tool for me to fight those furball tumbleweeds. This vacuum is amazing. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats, meaning I have a lot of hair, dander, sand and dirt in my home. This vacuum gets all the hair off everything. Has attachments to reach hair in hard to reach areas. The suction power is so strong, gets every grain of sand. I was amazed at the power of the vacuum. It picked up so much hair dirt within the first few minutes. The pet tool attachment was great in getting stubborn hair that sticks to fabric. It works like magic for the price. I am so tired of sweeping up dog hair and I love the Pro Pet Swivel. It sucks everything up so easily and saves me so much time. I am so happy to find a reasonably priced and great quality vacuum. Click link in description for more reviews. Thanks for your watching.